In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix repost option not showing on Instagram. Instagram has added the latest feature where you can repost the post and reels that you like. If this feature is not available for you, make sure to update the application. Since this is the new feature, for that your application needs to be updated. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Instagram. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Instagram and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now I'm being able to see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now once your application has been updated, you can simply open the Instagram application, tap on the Reels section. Now you'll be able to access the Reels over here. Now right below the comment option, you'll be able to find the icon for repost. If you tap on it, you can see over here this particular reel will be reposted by you. So that is how you fix repost option not showing on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.